Hello everyone and welcome to my last tutorial in my Adobe Premiere Pro for CS6 for beginners. And I wanted to say that I am gonna stop uploading tutorials in this playlist now. Okay, thank you so much for watching all my tutorials in this playlist. If you have watched them, they are not the best tutorials on YouTube. Definitely not the best tutorials on YouTube, and certainly not the best tutorials on my channel. But still, if you were to watch them, you would definitely learn Adobe Premiere Pro. I just wanted to say that I have started this new training course, Adobe Premiere Pro CS6 Beyond the Basics. This is actually an intermediate level training for all of those of you who want to learn Premiere Pro on a professional level and want to use this in your professional projects, your client projects maybe. If you are, working with someone, doing shoots for someone, then and if you really want to get deep into the software, then this is the training title for you. But just make sure that you have completed watching the beginner's title before starting with this. And I wanted to say that there are lots of other things that my channel has to offer. There are lots of different softwares. Maybe you want to take a break from Premiere Pro and want to learn some different software. Then the first thing that I would recommend would be Adobe After Effects. Now, After Effects is actually a compositing and VFX software, but it has its importance in the world of editing. And this actually After Effects Adobe, is by Adobe, so therefore there's a dynamic link, a very good feature actually between Premiere and After Effects that will really help you a lot when you are editing. So definitely learn this software if you have time. I've got somewhere like 21 tutorials, all are for free, of course, on YouTube. You can learn them, watch them. Nothing is, I'm not telling you to donate me or anything. Just watch them, enjoy. I know that you won't enjoy, but if you're serious about the software, then I have a training course available on my channel. If you don't want to learn After Effects, maybe you don't like the software, because I have a few friends who don't like After Effects. I don't know for what reason, but they just don't like it. So the second software I would like to recommend would be Adobe Photoshop. This software is considered the mother of all softwares. It is connected to every kind of software. Maybe it is the 3ds, Cinema 4D, Premiere, After Effects, Illustrator, Corel. You name the software, and I'm pretty sure Photoshop will have to do something with the software. So I have a training course for beginners. If you do not know how to use the software, watch this training course and learn this software. Or maybe you want to do something completely different, then I have a training on Adobe Illustrator. Illustrator is supposed to be a vector graphics software. You will learn how to create, or actually you will only learn the basics of the software. I'm kind of still deciding if I should continue teaching the software or no. But that all is I'm not supposed to share all that. I know we're still thinking of should we make tutorials on the software or no. I just want to say that there are a lot of softwares that you can learn if you have completed watching the beginner's title for Adobe Premiere Pro. There is of course the advanced Premiere Pro tutorial series. But if you want a break, then go ahead and learn After Effects, Photoshop, or Illustrator, or Flash. But I don't have Flash tutorials, I'm sorry. So once again, thank you so much for watching all my tutorials on Premiere, and it really means a lot to me. This was the first software that I started to teach on YouTube, and this training title was really a very messed up training title. My upload dates were not regular. My mic was very distorted, not correct. It was really irritating to hear my voice. uh, then I was repeating a lot of words. I made the videos very long. There were a lot of problems in this training title, and I promise not to repeat them in this training course Beyond the Basics. So hopefully you will watch this training course, learn something from Adobe Premiere Pro, and thank you for watching. I will see you all in this tutorial. In my next tutorial. Once again, thank you so much. If you have any more questions, if you want to ask me something, then contact me on my Facebook page, or on my Facebook you can add me as a friend over there, and I will try to help you. Thank you so much, and I will see you all in my next tutorial. Thank you.